As you move towards cloud, there's a fundamental decision to be made. If you choose proprietary technologies and proprietary vendors, you're going to end up stuck in a closed cloud. Here's what we at Red Hat are seeing in the market today. Business is demanding more and more innovation from IT to stay competitive. They want new capabilities, and they want them quickly. They want flexibility to be able to deliver. And they want to reduce costs. IT is struggling to deliver this innovation on traditional infrastructure using traditional processes. And what we're seeing is there's a gap forming, what we call the innovation gap. And that's the difference between what people can do with their traditional infrastructures against what the business really wants out of IT. Meanwhile, business units and developers are looking at what's happening in the cloud, and they're seeing that service providers are spinning up environments quickly and efficiently, and now internally people are saying, well, instead of waiting months and weeks for IT to deliver, I can go to the cloud and get what I need in minutes. And IT leaders that we speak to are taking this gap seriously, and they're working to provide new services, new architectures to deliver. In fact, we see almost, in a recent IDC survey, about 69% said they are developing a cloud strategy within the next year. We're also seeing the role of IT changing. Many of our IT customers are going from being provider of services to providing more of a strategic business partner to deliver a competitive advantage to the business side. Delivering innovative services today requires a mix of resources across physical systems, virtual systems, perhaps private cloud, and public cloud. Most IT is already hybrid. I mean, that's a reality. There's a mix of systems that they're using internally to deliver these services. But there's a few considerations you need to consider when you think about your hybrid cloud solutions. From an infrastructure perspective, it's important to avoid adding new silos of compute resources. The same is true from an applications perspective, with manual processes and unintegrated middleware and a variety of developer platforms that don't allow you to automate or streamline your workflows or your processes, which only widens the gap. So a fundamental shift has occurred from proprietary software offerings that allow you to leverage one vendor's capabilities and technologies to a community where there's lots of innovation and numerous operating systems and application platforms and analytics all being developed. Open innovation has powered this entire cloud paradigm. In fact, 80% of the world's public clouds run Linux, open source platform pioneered by Red Hat. And in a recent IDC survey focused on enterprise cloud, 72% of those surveyed said that open was a key consideration for their cloud strategy. That's because that's where all the innovation is happening. At Red Hat, we've engaged the world's top IT organizations. The commonality in their thought process around their architecture is about delivering everything as a service. Infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, for internal customers, platform as a service for developers, and who need to be able to build new cloud applications that create a fabric for social, media, mobile, etc. We hear people saying, look, I'm re-envisioning how I want my service delivery to work. And so let's take a look at how Red Hat can help you envision your IT services. While we provide technology leadership in all three of these areas, the difference is that we don't own the technology. We harness innovation from the best minds in the industry, allowing us to deliver more capabilities faster than any one single company can do it, and we do it without restrictions, taking away your choices. You can always choose the best vendor for your specific needs. For infrastructure as a service, Red Hat offers Red Hat Cloud Infrastructure. And Red Hat Storage. Our HCI supports your physical servers and combines best of breed solutions